Wind the yarn around your left hand as shown in the video. Wrap the yarn around the hook from bottom to top, then press the crossed yarn with your index finger and thumb. Yarn over and pull through. Tighten the knot. Yarn over and continue crocheting following the steps shown in the video. First, make 5 chain stitches as the turning chain. Yarn over, skip 6 chain stitches, and insert your hook into the 7th stitch. Yarn over, then pull through. Yarn over again, then pull through. Yarn over again, then pull through. Then work 4 double crochets into the same stitch, making 5 double crochets in total in this stitch. Remove your hook from the last stitch, then insert it into the top of the first double crochet. Then insert your hook into the previous loop. Pull through. Yarn over and pull through to make 3 chain stitches in total. Yarn over, skip to chain stitches, and insert your hook into the 3rd stitch. Continue crocheting following the previous method as shown in the video.